Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to show you how to solve this problem. Okay, for the first step, I start lettering P equal to this expression. And then I want to simplify the expression inside the sphere. Okay, so you know that x cubed plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. Okay. And for x power 5 minus x power 4 minus x cubed plus x squared, we can write to x power 5 minus x power 4 minus x cubed minus x squared. Okay, so for this expression, I want to factor out uh of x power 4. Okay, so we write to x power 4 times x minus 1. And this expression, I want to factor out of x squared. So we can write to x squared times x minus 1. And then we can we can factor out of x minus 1. So we write to x minus 1 times x power 4 minus x squared. So for this expression, we also can factor out of x squared. So we can write to x, sorry. So we can write to x minus 1 times x squared times x squared minus 1. Okay, you know that x squared minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, so now we can write to x squared times x minus 1, and then we can write to x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, for both expression, we can write it to x minus 1 square and time to x plus 1. Okay, so right now for p we can write to this. Okay, then we can replace x2 plus 1 by this and replace it by this. Okay, so now we can write it um, to x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1 over x squared times x minus 1 squared times x plus 1. Okay, so now we can simplify the expression. Okay, we can write to for this we can cancel it or simplify it. So right now we can write to x squared minus x plus 1 over x times x minus 1 squared. Okay, but for this expression, I want to write it, I want to write like that. Yes, I want to write it to x times x minus 1 plus 1 over x times x minus 1 sphere. Okay, so for this, we can simplify in the sphere. So right now, we can write p2, oh sorry, 2 square root of x times x minus 1 plus 1 over x times x minus 1. Okay, so then we need to know the value of x times x minus 1. But for the exercise, we know that 2x minus 1 is equal to square root of 13. So we can use it to solve this problem. So we know that 2x minus 1 is equal to square root of 13. So we get x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. And for x minus 1 is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 2 minus 1. So then x minus 1 is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 minus 2 over 2. So it equal to square root of 3 minus 1. Oh, sorry, not 3. It's 13. Sorry, it's 13. Yes, it's 13 over 2. So when we know the value of x and we know the value of x plus x minus 1, so now we can use it to find the value of x times x minus 1. Yes, so x is equal to ne, equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. So we can substitute x by square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. And we can substitute x minus 1 to square root of 13 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so now we can write to square root of 13 plus 1 times square root of 13 minus 1 over 4. And then we can write to 13 minus 1 square over 4. That's it. 12 over 4 is equal to 3. So right now we know the value of x times x minus 1. But p is equal to square root of 8 times x minus 1 plus 1 over 8 times x minus 1. Okay, so we can substitute 8 times x minus 1 by 3. So we can write 2 the square root of 3 plus 1 over 3. So it equal to square root of 4 over 3. Then the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Okay, so right now we can know the value of p is 2 over 3. Okay, this is the value of p. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And if you have another solution, you can comment below my video. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.